So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine. And now you want to expand system. And now you want to expand current control set. Now we're going to expand services. And now we're going to click on W search. We're going to scroll down till we find W search. Here it is. You want to click on this. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Make sure that you're now in the W search folder. Now once you're on this, you want to find delayed auto starts. Double click on it. Now make sure that in this box right here, you have the number 1. So under value data, you want to type in 1 and then click on OK. Now you want to find start. Double click on it. In this box, you want to make it the number 2. So make sure that start value data is 2 and then click on OK. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer and this should now fix your problem.